What if I told you that almost every YouTube tutorial about color grading is wrong? That most of them teach methods that don't use all of the data of your log and raw footage. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how to proper color grade in Premiere Pro. No LUTs, no shortcuts, just the proper way to color grade. What is the problem with the common tutorials? Most of the tutorials start by telling you to jump into Lumetri color, adjust your shadows, highlights and contrast, maybe throw in a LUT. But here's the problem, the log and the raw footage is still not linear. These formats compress dynamic range to save more image data. If you start grading without converting it first, you're using wrong math. The result? You're not getting the full potential out of your footage. The first step is to convert your footage to Rec 709, and here is how to do it in Premiere Pro.
So, we are inside of Premiere Pro. I uploaded my footage and I will go to the Lumetri color tab. Now we're gonna turn on our first setting, display color management. After that you will turn on this setting. And now we go to one of the most important settings, and that is make sure you select the web and not broadcast. Now auto detect log, and you can see it's converted correctly. If it's using the wrong color space, you can correct it here. And now let's turn on auto tone map, and that's it. And now you can start color grading correctly.
So the next time you dive into a log or raw video, don't forget to do this first and then dive into the creative process, and hopefully your colors will look way better and you can create some amazing stuff. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe here below. I will see you in the next episode.